guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse me, sorry guys, I just burped. But anyways, hope you all like my picture. Anyways, to make a YouTube tutorial, to make a YouTube video, you have to go on your, this is how I do them. You have to go on camera. Is it on video? Yep, it's on video. Just, do your video and everything like that. And I'm not really gonna post it, but. And then you see this. You press YouTube. Put title, and then just type it in. Don't type in that. But yeah, type it in. Like this. Hang on. Actually, I think that might be like one of my songs in real life. But yeah, just put in your little description. Don't forget to put a link too. If you want a link in your description. Comedy. Well, if you press on comedy, it'll give you like all the categories. Autos and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment. Mine are all like entertainment and music. That's technically it. But yeah, and then after that, if you want, you can either do it on private, unlisted. So if you want to do it only on private, only specific YouTubers can view. It used to say only you can view, but now I guess a certain YouTuber can watch it. Unlisted, anyone with a link can view, or public, anyone can search for and view. Which means the public one means go on Safari and then type in your and then just type in your and then just like type in your whatever it's called, your title. Right up there. I don't know if you all can see that, but right up there. And yeah. Oh, actually, there is one more thing that I do want to show you. Like I said, guys, I'm not really gonna post this on YouTube, but yeah. And then you just press publish, and then you wait, and then you should get like a notification saying, well, no, but you should get like a little thing over here, not up here, where like a notification, but like over here. It will say this just published on YouTube, and then just I would press cancel if I were you, and then just go on YouTube and view it. So yeah, and hopefully if this is like your first time on YouTube, hopefully if you make a video, hopefully you'll probably get like, I don't know, 1,000 views. Like, well, mine aren't, but yeah, so please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Peace out, burgers. Oh, and also, don't forget to go check out my Instagram tutorial. And yeah, so bye. Subscribe, like, comment down below, put on post notifications, and don't forget to share. Oh, and don't forget to download it on YouTube Red too. Now, I don't know how to do that, so don't ask me how to do that, because I don't know how to do that. So yeah.